Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. You guys know I am back with another craft. I actually had fun with this. It is super quick, super easy, especially once you make one, like the second and third, it will just go by so much faster. So what I did was I actually made these treat bags. These are super cute, super adorable. You can put you know, snacks, candy, little toys, whatever you want to put down inside here, you can put down in here. These are totally customizable. You know, this is just a sticker that I slapped on here. This is plain paper, not cardstock. Um, you guys, these are super cute. You can put bows on these, buttons, ribbons, whatever you want to put up on these things. Guess what? You can put up on. Matter of fact, do I got a bow in my room? I know I got a bow somewhere. I always got a goddamn bow. No bow, right? Right. When I need a goddamn bow, I don't got one. Yo, I swear I just had a bow. Okay. Anyways, back to this craft. And you can pretty much make these any size that you want. You can make them smaller, you can make them bigger. It is totally up to you. But we about to get into this cute craft right here, y'all. Look at that. That is super cute. Alright, so stay tuned. Okay, so the first step that you want to do is actually divide this paper into 3 sections. And to do that, what I like to create is like a loose S shape like that. Just get it until you get it centered, I guess, and equal. I'm trying to do this and look in the. Okay, I'm showing y'all what to do, but I gotta look at it myself to get it equal. Okay, and when you pretty much get both sides even, all you're going to do is just crease it. That's it. You're not going to go all the way down. You're just going to crease it to where it creates a fold on the sides. Alright, once you have your creases and you can see them, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and start with this one and take it down to that second crease. And then just go ahead and crease it. And then you're going to open it. Oh my God, my husband messed with me. Flip the paper over and do the same on this side. Now you're going to want to take it and meet it up to the crease. And just go ahead and crease your paper. Okay, now what we're going to want to do is we're going to bring this in to this line right here. You're not going to fold it down completely. Just make sure it's even up with the line. You're just going to make a little crease right there to where now you have a mark. Once you get that mark there, you're going to fold the paper over. You're going to bring it over and stop it right there at that mark. Once you get right there at the mark, go ahead and fold it down, crease it down. Alright, so once you've done that, go ahead and open it up. And now we're going to turn the paper and we're going to do the exact same thing on this side. You're going to fold it, crease it so that you have a mark. And now you are going to bring this side over to the new mark that you just created. And go ahead and fold it down and crease it. Alright, and now if you open it, you should see that we have 3 squares in the middle. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to flip this over. And now on this bottom square, we're going to want to create like an X shape. So in order to do that, we are going to bring this up. And we're actually going to connect these 2 lines right here. I'm not sure if you can see that. Can you see that? There's 2 lines that meet right here. You're just going to connect them and just crease it. As you can see, we have that line. Now you're going to want to lift the paper up and meet the other 2 lines together and crease it as well. And as you see, we now have an X in that middle box. in the last box, not the middle box. Now we are going to turn this around. We're going to do the same thing on this bottom one. We're going to lift it up. We are going to mesh these two lines up. Once they meet up, go ahead and crease it. Now we're going to do the same thing this way. To where now you have an X up here and an X down here. Alright, now that you have that, it's pretty much time to fold. So I don't think I've showed you the step, but I did flip the paper over. Make sure that your X's are on the side where they are raised up. What you're going to want to do is turn your paper to you long ways, and you're going to, yeah, it's kind of, here we go. It folds on itself. You're pretty much just going to, yeah, raise that up and pretty much start creasing it. So in this position, these are two triangles. What you're going to do is close that other one. Did you see that? It's laying down flat like that, but if you take this and bring that triangle up, it creates a fold just like that. And you're going to want to do the same thing on this side over here, to where this is what the inside of your bag looks like. And from there, you can pretty much start going in on the sides. Well, of course, you know you can feel it, but just go ahead and, you know, start angling it and creating the creases and the folds that would normally be in a gift bag. And then from there, I just simply took it and I just folded it down. And that secures it closed. And there you have your little gift bag that you have just created. And I'm going to take it a step further. Okay, so to now take this a little bit further, I have my little treat bags here. And you guys know I just made some stickers really quickly, and I ran them through my sticker maker. So I'm just now going to just go ahead and attach these bad boys onto, I guess, what I would call the front of these bags. And let's see how they turn out. You guys can jazz up these bags yourself. Bows, ribbon, you know, pretty much all sorts of things you guys can do. Look at that, super cute. You can put little items in them. And it's cheaper to make these than to actually go out and buy it. I just used regular printing paper. Nothing special at all. So just imagine if you actually just sat and made these, and also made these on like a bigger scale compared to going and buying some bags, you know, 12 for $1 if they're just plain, or $3 or $4 if they're characters, you know, just it's cheaper. A whole pack of paper, you get what, I don't know, 300, 500 sheets for maybe $4 or $5. So y'all, make the bags. Look at them, so cute with the stickers on them. If you have any questions at all or need me to explain something in further detail, please let me know. And as always, I will see you guys very soon. Bye.